Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Peace, I pijit kami, Baki Kubo, Baman Kasmi.
Menteri ketenar kakoi kakia uba AL hack mentakasngi ulai thu bagajing pentrai ke Diagnostic Center Pasteur Lawmali keladap kumba prapo sen but on play ka haus nam arjar arpuar bandra ke kejing dap san pos nam ke jela megalia habakran bet kinong tho kubor uba AL hack ulai thu uba mentakasngi ulalej banjure bi ketega Diagnostic Center Pasteur Lawmali berul ong ba kumba prapo persen ladap henrei namar kejing long jingman hapo ke jela na klam covid khat kendai kam pada ibiang Iaka ke Diagnostic Center kemudian Pasteur Lawmali but on Pyntreikam no Snem arjar arpuar.
For a major project of our government, of our state government. The major project is like this. So now we have like state assembly. That is also a major project. We have other project of other department, but I will not talk about the other department. I'm talking only the major project of the health department and also the art education, like SIGPAC. SIGPAC, that Shillong Arts of Performance Arts, that also we are going to complete to celebrate the statehood of Golden Jubilee celebration of our statehood. So today we went for the inspection of the State of Art Diagnostic Center there at Pasteur Institute. The work almost has been completed to almost for 80%, and we are ready now also to function, but we are not going to function now because of the COVID situation. But we have already installed many machines like the biochemistry, immunochemistry, hematology, and clinical pathology has been installed in that state-of-art diagnostic center. That is the contribution from the Suraksha Salvia, Global Salvia. That is we are a partner of the government, the outsourcing partner of the government. So this is already installed by the Salvia Global Suraksha company for all this machine, and are ready now also. In a week time also, we can be ready for 700 kind of testing. It can be done now, but we are not going to start immediately. But soon, that also is a part of the Golden Jubilee celebration, because this is the one of the major project of the state government.
How much the government has spent to come up with this state-of-the-art diagnostic center?
We got from the NESIT, that is for the equipment and all 20 crores. That is the tender has been called. Then we have spent almost about 4 crores for the construction. That is the investment of the state government. Then the rest, also the partner also have invested, which I have already mentioned, I've already told you about the machineries which is already installed. This part of this kind of the state-of-art diagnostic center, where we'll get available everything here, right from CT scan, MRI. You go for any test you ask, you will be with it. I told you work is almost 80% has been progress. So we need to another 20% to complete to finish the work.